We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Hi everyone, it's time for our Hakka lesson of the day.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Alex Pong.
And I Joseph Ling. Now today I want to talk about something that is very serious to everybody who's out there. I've been reading a lot of articles about signs of aging or perhaps some of the actions that you do that will contribute to aging. 所以呢，我们想说透过这个客家的单元呢，来教一下大家这个老化的一些警讯好了，好不好？Like I read, if you have a hard time falling asleep, if you have insomnia, for instance, 有这个失眠的这个症状。
OK， 睡唔落覺，
睡唔落覺，睡唔落覺是什麼？睡不着覺嗎？
沒錯，
真的嗎？啊，哦，越來越厲害嘞！
哎呦，很強。
Okay, so that's one. I know. If you smoke a lot or drink a lot, 有這個抽煙喝酒的習慣，
要卜煙
的卜煙嘛，卜煙 that's smoking. 試酒哦，唔是啉酒哦。
做得講試酒，要做得講啉酒
都可以。Okay, 試酒or 啉酒 that's drinking. Also, if you have a lot of stress, 很多這個壓力很大。
壓力太。
壓力太。壓力太。
太就是大。
不是大家伙。
太家伙。
太對太對。壓力太。That means you have a very stressful life. And finally, I hate this because I love drinking coffee, but I heard that if you drink a lot of coffee, it would also contribute to aging too. 所以很喜歡愛喝咖啡，咖啡嘛。
錯。愛啉。咖啡。Join
That's me. That's, I have to watch out. Actually, out of everything that I mentioned, I have a lot of signs of aging. This is not good.
你會落髮？
我會落髮？你不要講這個事情啊！我不會落髮啦，老化而已啦。
錯啊，落髮。
落髮是老化。我以為你在講我的頭髮嘞。落髮 that's aging. Okay, so watch out for those few signs right there, or cut down on what we just mentioned right there, and perhaps you won't age as quickly as you should. Okay, that's our Hakka lesson of the day.
什麼太家？
俺只say張偉了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製，邀您一起體驗另一種不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Council for Hakka Affairs of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.